Good morning, guys. It's Tammy, and I just thought that I would do a quick unboxing of this Walmart beauty box. This is, I don't know if it's monthly or quarterly, but if you go to Walmart Beauty, you should be able to find it, and it is a $5 box, and really it's free. You're just paying for shipping, so it's a pretty good deal. Now, it is just sample sizes of whatever in the world they have this month, or however often they send it. Like I said, I'm just going to call it monthly because I think that's what it is, but I'm not positive. But embrace your beauty, the season, show off your fabulous self, and they give you cute packaging and usually a coupon, or that one's an enter to win. And let's see, it's like new products that maybe I haven't tried before and I'd like to, so this is fun. Look at this, a lip patch, My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. Smooth moisturized plump lips. Smooth away lip lines, dry cracked lips in 15 minutes with the nourishing and moisturizing benefits of sea kelp and super berries. Remove the lip patch from the package and apply to clean lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove. Pat remaining essence with fingertips. So it's kind of like a mask for your lips. How about that? I have not seen that before. So something to try. And some Kleenex wet wipes and Cetaphil eye gel cream. I think that this was supposed to be on here. That's all right. So this one is a gentle clean for face and hands. So this can clean your face. How about that? And then this one is eye cream gel. Hydrates for 24 hours. Oh, and look, a Great Lash mascara. Now we have had this for years, and I've used this several thousand times probably, and I know my daughter likes this. I might even just stick this in her stocking. And here is a cleansing bar. See, to me, these are perfect for getaways. I just came back from a weekend getaway with my husband, and things like this are perfect to put in your little travel bag and take on the go. Here is some foam conditioner. Very nice. I think I'll like this. I love Pantene anyway. Apply a palm-sized amount of air light foam onto wet hair after shampooing. Rinse off. Oh, this is like conditioner for the shower. I thought this was going to be like a mousse, but it is not. It is like conditioner. How interesting. I don't really like metal things in my shower, but I mean, I'll try it. I just don't know. But that's what the beauty is. You can try it, and if you don't like it, then you don't ever have to buy it. But this kind of gives you a free sample, obviously, to try. And here is a little lotion sample. I might use that here in just a little minute. And I have had these bubble sheet masks. This is very nice, so I'm excited about this again. I don't think this came in this. I think I got this in a Etsy package or something. Did I say Etsy? I meant Ipsy. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I really liked it, so this is good. Something else to try. And then here is an Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. I'm just going to, oh, nope, I'm not going to take it off. I'm just going to rip it off like that. And then here are some Great Lash, just some, advertisement. I thought maybe it was coupons. Nope, these are all advertisements, which is great. I mean, they have to do their thing. So, in the shower foam conditioner. So there you go. All the goods. And then you could enter to win a $100 gift card if you are so inclined. But like I said, I will put some of these in my travel bag. I'm going to try this in the shower, but I think most of those I'm going to put in my travel bag. I'm going to try this and the mask, and I will probably end up putting this in my daughter's Christmas stocking because I know she likes that mascara. So there we go. For $5, it's a pretty decent deal, and it's fun to just try new things. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.